Hello kids. How are you beta? Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Yes, I hope you all are safe at your home. Very good. You are washing your hand properly? You are bathing regularly? Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Who am I? You know me? I'm your computer teacher. My name is Sonia Grover. Okay? We will start to learn about computer. Yeah. What is computer? Yes, tell me anybody. What is computer? You have seen it? Yes, you have visited computer lab. Yes, you have visited earlier. Okay. Listen. Computer is a electronic machine. What is computer? Computer is a electronic machine which runs on electricity. Okay, listen. This is TV. Yes, you have seen it now. You use TV for which purpose? You watch movies, cartoons. Yes, this is a machine. This is a machine which runs on electricity. TV. With the help of TV, you watch movies, cartoons. Yes, this is a machine. And second thing is, what is this? Tell me, what is this? This is washing machine. This is also a machine. Why you use washing machine? Washing machine for which purpose? You wash clothes. You help mom now at your home. Yes, this is also a machine. This is also a machine which runs on electricity. Like these machines, our computer is also a electronic machine. Computer is also electronic machine which runs on electricity. Which runs on electricity. There are various parts of machine. This is monitor. This is monitor. And this is keyboard. This is keyboard. This is, what is this? This is CPU. This is CPU. And this is mouse. This is called mouse. Why our computer is a smart machine? Yes. Why our computer is smart machine? You tired, na? When you do activities, you get tired. But our computer does not get tired. And it stores various information, large amount of information. That's it. That is smart machine. Our computer is a smart machine. Now parts of computer. Okay. Okay, you have various body parts now. Like what is body? Where are various body parts are? This is your nose, eyes, head. There are various body parts. Like this, computer have various parts. There are two types of parts. One is primary part and second is secondary part. One is primary parts, second is secondary parts. Primary parts are monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. These are the primary parts. And secondary parts are printer, scanner, speaker, UPS. These are the secondary parts of computer. Okay, one by one we will study all these parts. Yes. Tell me, what is this? This is TV. Yeah, it looks like TV. Monitor is a, yes, that display the information. Okay, any video that you watch, any cartoon movies, with the help of this monitor, it is visible to you like a TV screen. It displays all the information. This is a monitor. This is a monitor. Yes. What is this? Tell me. Yes, you tell. What is this? This is monitor. This is monitors. Monitor has on off button here. Monitor has on off button here. And we use monitor for watching movies, cartoons. It displays information on screen. This is a monitor. Second is keyboard. Second is keyboard. Keys, there are various keys here. Keys are alphabets, numbers, all are the keys. It means keyboard has various keys. Keyboard has various keys. These keys are alphabets, numbers, symbols. Whatever you type on the keyboard, it will be displayed on the screen. Whatever you type here, na, you type A, S, D, and all will be displayed over screen. It will be displayed over screen. You use keyboard for typing text and giving instruction to the computer This is a keyboard. Okay, next is mouse. Yes, have you seen it at your home? No, beta, this is mouse. You have seen it in computer lab. Yes, you have seen it now. This is a mouse. This is also mouse. Why its name is mouse? Why? Because its shape is like a mouse. And this wire is tail of mouse. And this wire is a tail of mouse. Its shape is like a mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Okay? Look this pointer. When you scroll your mouse, then it pointer also moves here and there. Okay? When your mouse moves, na, this pointer will also move on the screen. Okay? This is a left click. This is a right click. All are the clicks of mouse. Left click and this is a right click. When you single time click it, then it is called single click. When you click 2 times, then it is called double click. Okay. Mouse will help to you for drawing pictures. Yeah. And to draw pictures, play games. Okay. Mouse is a pointing device. Next is CPU. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. CPU full form is Central Processing Unit. Okay. What is CPU? CPU is a brain. CPU is brain of computer. Like your brain, you do various types of activities. You think from your brain like this. Our computer also thinks with the help of CPU. This is a brain of computer. It connects all the parts of computer. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, all are connected with the help of this CPU. And all parts are doing function with the help of CPU. This is a CPU, Central Processing Unit. It stores large amount of information. Yes, this is your brain now. You think from your brain and computer think from this CPU. This is a brain of computer. Now secondary devices. One is a printer. Have you seen it? Yes? Where? Yes, tell me anybody. Where you have seen it? Yes, server room. When you go server room now, you have seen it. When you give plain page to printer, then it will give us a printed paper. Like this. Whatever is on your screen, everything is printed over a paper. Okay. Anything that you type, it will be printed on a paper with the help of this printer. Understand? Very good. Next is scanner. Have you seen it? Where? In markets? Yes? No? Okay. It's like a camera of your mobile. Okay. Like you, with the help of your camera, you click picture, na? Picture will be saved on your mobile. Like this, anything that is on your paper, you scan, it will be displayed on your screen. Like this. This is a picture. If this picture will be scanned over scanner, then it will be displayed on a computer. What is the function of scanner? Scanner scan document, pictures, whatever you scan, it will be displayed on a monitor. It will be entered in a CPU. Okay. Next one is speakers, microphones. Yes, speakers, microphones. You are using it. Yes, now you are using it. Yes. Why you are using it? Because you listen various voices. Yes. Listening music. All. Yes. When you are taking your online lectures now, then you are using your microphones. Yes. Headphones. Yes. Speakers. Okay. Speakers and headphones are using to listen recorded songs, voice, speech in your computer. This is called speaker. This is called speaker. And next is this is called headphone. This is called headphone. Okay. Next one is UPS. What is this? This is called UPS. UPS full form is uninterrupted power supply. Okay. What is the function of UPS? It will give power to your computer. It will give power to your computer. Yes. When your computer go off, na, electricity go off, then it will give power. Like your inverter. What you do at your home? When light go, your inverter will give power, na? Like that, our UPS will give power to our CPU. Okay. Then it will give power to our computer. Yes. Understand it, beta? Yeah. Yes. Tell me. We have studied various parts of computer. First of all, what is computer? Computer is a electronic machine. Computer is a electronic machine which runs on electricity. Which runs on electricity. Various parts of computer. Primary parts are, yes, monitor. Monitor. It looks like a TV screen. It looks like a TV screen. It display over screen. Everything is displayed over screen. This is called keyboard. This is called keyboard. There are various keys, no? Like this. A, S, D, F, G. 1, 2, 3. Whatever you press here, everything will be displayed on screen. This is a keyboard. And this is a mouse. This is called mouse. All are the primary parts of. One is missing. What is this? Yes, this is CPU. This is CPU. That is a brain. That is brain of computer. Like our brain, it also works. It performs various functions. Okay. And second is secondary parts are printer, scanner, and speaker. This is also a speaker. And anything is missing? Yes, anybody? Printer, scanner, yes, speakers, headphones, and one is UPS. One is UPS. UPS is uninterrupted power supply. It will give power to your computer, like your inverter. Like your inverter. Yes, kids. There is a worksheet for you. Okay, tell me. Yes, which one of the following is not a part of computer? Yes, it's visible to you? Yes. Yes, tell me. Monitor, notebook, mouse, keyboard. Yes, tell me. Yes. Monitor is also a part of computer. Mouse is also part of computer. Keyboard is also part of your computer. And answer is notebook. because notebook is not a part of computer. Second is, which part of computer looks like a real mouse? Yes, मैंने बताया ना. What is the part? Monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. This is a mouse because it looks like a mouse. It looks like mouse. And wire of this mouse is like a tail of mouse. Next is, which part of computer has a tail attached to CPU? That is mouse. Next is, which part of computer works according to given orders? Okay, yes, tell me. Yes, which part will work according to your order? Which part think? Which part do activity? Yeah, this is the brain of computer. What is this? That is CPU. That is CPU. Next is, which part of a computer has many keys? Yes, keyboard, printer, monitor, mouse. That is a keyboard. That is a keyboard. Name the part of a computer which helps it to think and work as per the given orders. That is a CPU. Already done? Yes. Dash is used to take a printout on a paper. Yes, I already told you now. Yes, with the help of this printed paper, with the help of printer, with the help of printer. Yes. Okay, kids. Very good. Let's understand it. Okay, please learn it and take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.